Rocker Pat here. All right, guys, it's another hard rocking day in the jungle. And look at that big, beautiful Texas sky here at Pat's Classics and Plastics. What's your flavor today? What can I offer you today, boys? We got all sorts of toys over here. We got Leroy sitting out back. We got Gigi, the Gotta Go Corvette. We got some Sketchy Dicks, some King Dick. Got Jackie looking absolutely stunning today. Yeah, I pulled her out and gave her a bath because she was needing it bad. Took it down to the car get together last night. Raced the motorcycle back. I don't know, something like that. All right, guys, what we got working on today is we are back to the other side of the money, Carlo. Let's go take a look at the driver's side. Door bottom came out spectacular. Well, I wouldn't say perfect, but it's come out pretty good. Have not folded this front edge yet. I got a little bit of adjusting I'd like to do in this little corner right here before I fold it. But the bottom is completely folded. The weld has been eliminated completely all the way through. The back end is already folded. I still need to round over this edge right here and give it a little spot weld and round it over. But I'm starting to get some flash rust. It's getting foggy in the morning. So got to do a little sanding on this, finish up those last little welds. I'm pleased with the way that came out. This is what I removed. And being below that shadow line right there, you're never going to know I was there. All right, guys, but then down here we got the other door. And man, I don't know, can y'all see that? Focus there, guy. Yeah, you see that like hickey right there? I wonder what went down there. I didn't see that before. So that's kind of a new, what the hell is going on in that zone? But I'll fix it. That'll have to get some fill right there. Gonna make this side now. That's pretty much what we got to do. And I've got the blank already cut out, ready to go. These are all the tools I used to zip that bottom lip. I used this. That worked okay. I mean, it works. I had to do a little adjusting on it, but for the price, it zipped it right on down. Just the standard tools that we need to do this kind of work and everything. Other than this right here, to build that, I used the English wheel, which is the first time I've actually got to use the English wheel since I've had this, and the lowest crowned bottom die. Got the rubber band on there so that it only gives form and not shape and form and everything. And then folded the edge of the bottom down this run right here and this corner right here by using this long ass table and this piece of angle right here. I was able to just hammer the edge over and get a 90 out of it and everything. And then for that front edge, which is this edge right here that has a little bit of a curve to it, I used this cool little thing I had and was able to tip that right over and make that front edge. Now I got one more piece of sheet metal and one more rust issue to fix on this car, and I'm done with the rust on this Monte Carlo, and we can get to laying down the suede black paint job that this dude is going to be riding around with for the next foreseeable future and everything. All right, guys, that's what I'm rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking on. And yeah, y'all keep grinding it down out on y'all side. Get out in the garage, you guys. Grind it down.